The International Cricket Council and the Melbourne Cricket Club have been tweaking the rules of the game over the years to maintain the right amount of balance between bat and ball and to see that the spirit of the game is not compromised. From the TT of timeless test matches to the TT of 2020 cricket, we have come a long way in the last 144 years. In this series, called the Rule Changes ICC Could Look Into, we bring you two such rule changes that we think can be considered by the guardians of the game. In August 2010, India faced Sri Lanka in an ODI in Dambola. India needed 5 runs to win after the end of 33rd over with Virendra Sehwag batting on 99. Lankan spinner Suraj Randive was bowling the 34th over. The first ball was missed by both Sehwag and the wicketkeeper Kumara Sangakkara. The ball raced to the ropes for 4 byes, and thus the equation was down to India needing 1 run for the win and Sehwag needing 1 run for completing his 13th ODI 100. After a couple of dot balls, Sehwag smacked Randive over long off for a 6 and celebrated his century. To his disappointment, the umpires ruled that Randive had overstepped and thus it was a no ball. Also, since India got the 1 run of that no ball, they had won the match and the 6 didn't count. Virendra Sehwag and most of the viewership in that game were sure that the spinner had deliberately overstepped to deny the Indian a century. There are 2 things wrong about this incident. First, the ball should have not been called dead ball until the ball had crossed the boundary. Thus, India should have got 7 runs off that ball and Virendra Sehwag should have been given the 100. The second thing is the deliberate no ball. The Sri Lankan Cricket Board suspended Randive for 1 ODI, but there was no punishment from the ICC. A similar incident took place in the Caribbean Premier League in 2017 when Kieron Pollard bowled a deliberate no ball to deny Evan Lewis what would have been the fastest century in the history of the tournament. One would surely think that there should be a rule from ICC regarding bowlers bowling deliberate front foot no balls. Well, there is one such rule. Law 41.8 states that if the umpire considers that the bowler has delivered a deliberate front foot no ball, he or she shall suspend the bowler immediately and the bowler will not be allowed to bowl in the innings again. Well, in both these situations, that is the Kieron Pollard situation or the Suraj Randive situation, Law 41.8 would not have been effective as there was no further innings for the player to bowl in. Instead, the punishment for such misconduct could be that the bowler is suspended for 1 match. The ban would be such that the team would compulsorily have to name him in the playing 11 for the next match, but he cannot take part in either batting or bowling. This will entice the player and or the captain to think about the team in the future. This will also ensure that the game is played in the right spirit. Moving on to second such change in rule, that is player suspensions. In cricket, players are slapped with match fines or suspensions when he or she breaches a certain level of offence. The penalties are in different levels, that is a fine up to 50% of a match fee for level 1 up to life ban for level 4. In all of this, only the players get affected and not the entire team. This does not put the player under any pressure from their respective national cricket boards in most cases. If these suspensions in some way would affect the team going forward, the players would have to behave not only for themselves but for the team. A suggestion for the rule change is when a certain player gets banned for a specific number of matches, he or she should be mandatorily named in the team 11 but should only be allowed to field like an ordinary substitute fielder. Thus, a player's action would force the team to play without his batting or bowling services in the next game, despite him being in the playing 11. These were our 2 such suggestions. We would be coming up with few more suggestions in the series of such videos. Do let us know what you think about the same. What do you guys feel should be changed? Do write to us through email or comments. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to our channel. Help us grow. Thank you once again.